After we understanding the respiratory system anatomical details, now we will understand the mechanism of respiration in case of amphibians. In case of amphibians, the process of respiration is achieved by 4 stages. Stage 1 is called as the process of aspiration. Aspiration refers to the mechanism through which the external air that is rich with the oxygen is taken into the nasal chamber through the external nares, and there later it is forwarded to the buccopharyngeal region through the internal nares. As we have understood, the air passage from external environment to the mouth of buccopharyngeal cavity is actually called as inspiration. This is achieved by lowering the lower jaw muscles called sternohyal muscles, at the same time pushes the upper jaw called mentotechnian cartilage, thereby the external nail opens, and thereby the air gets its entry into the nasal chamber, then into buccopharyngeal region. So air that passes from external environment to buccopharyngeal region is called aspiration. The second step is inspiration. It is a stage where the air which is rich with the oxygen will move from buccopharynx or buccopharyngeal region into the lung cavity through the laryngotracheal and bronchi regions. So the air is passed from mouth cavity into lungs is called as inspiration. The third stage is called gaseous exchange. It is the stage where the air that is rich with the oxygen in the lung cavity will make its entry into alveolar capillaries, and then carbon dioxide rich blood will throw out the carbon dioxide into the lung cavity. So this is called gaseous exchange. The fourth and the final stage that we have is expiration. It is a phenomenon through which the air that is rich with carbon dioxide is expelled from the lung cavity in the opposite direction of the inspiration. That is, it is passed into bronchi, laryngotracheal region, the mouth cavity, nasal chamber, and through external nares the air is thrown out or expelled out. This process is called as expiration. So air from lung is thrown out to the external environment, which we call it as expiration. So expiration is achieved by means of a special muscle seen towards the lower jaw called as pectohyal muscles. Pectohyal muscles will bring in the upward movement of the lower jaw. Thereby, it will allow much of pressure on the lungs, and the lungs will throw out the air. So this is what the mechanism of respiration that we find in case of amphibians.